Satin everybody, boy Big Brando, and today we got another boxing session for you. This one comes to you from Madson. Madson is a sunglass company. Got some shades, so let's check it out. Boom. Here we go. First box here, Madson Classico. MadsonofAmerica.com. Madson Classico. Some stuff up in here still. Warranty policy. Looks like a sticker. And a sticker. So let's check it out. Madson on the dust bag. Focus in. Boom. Boom. Madson Classico, black on black. Glasses are really dope. Cool thing about these are they're polarized and they fit a wide face, man. I have a hard time with glasses, and these ones right here fit my face perfect. Black on black, kind of like a matte black with the black hit. Very clean. Let's see what's in this one. Madson Classico. Same thing, we got the warranty card. Let's get a little close action on here. Madson of America. Focus in for me, please. Lifetime warranty. Very dope. Madson of America. Madson offers a free lifetime warranty for all who register online. That's fucking dope. So let's see what these ones are. Boom. Oh shit, these are the tortoise shell. Same thing, Classico. Get a little zoom in. Oh, it's kind of matte too. It has like a matte finish to it. Tortoise shell, polarized sunglasses. Very clean. These are dope, man. I like these. Hell yeah. Madson, shout out to you guys. I believe they're out in San Diego, here in California. Madson of America. Love the glasses. I love that they fit my face, and I love that they're polarized. Everything that comes with them, very clean. If you want to check them out, MadsonofAmerica.com. Catch you guys on the next one. Yep.